camp mode is great. It allows you to keep your climate and media controls on as long as your battery can last. But there's just one issue for me. The one issue that might not be relevant to you, but is the reason why that it has kept me away from using it for the entire duration that I've been living in and out of my car. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, we'll turn on climate here. Then we're gonna switch on cam. Okay, easy. Let me turn it off. Turn it back on. Sentry is off. Sentry is back on. Sentry is forced off. One of many reasons why I chose a Tesla as my house on wheels is that you get home security features all baked in. 4 out of the 8 cameras are simultaneously recording if someone ever get close to my car. And that certainly gives me a peace of mind, especially when 90% of my camping is done in random parking lots, random streets, and free charging stations. So instead of camp mode, this is what I do. Okay, we are here in the car. I don't use camp mode, but I just use keep. Keep climate is on, and Sentry is still on. However, there's a set of steps that you need to do on your phone, so nobody can come in at any time. Here is my phone. It's an iPhone. I'm sure Android is a similar procedure. You need to go to settings, Bluetooth, and turn Bluetooth off. Make sure you turn it off from within the settings, because if you go to Control Center and turn off Bluetooth from here instead, it's not off completely. It will be off for a while, depending on your sleeping schedule. My sleeping schedule is not consistent, so I might wake up at like 7 a.m. one day and then 10 a.m. another day. What this does is that the phone is trying to figure out when you're gonna wake up, and it's gonna turn it on automatically. So you probably don't want that. That's why you have to go to settings and turn it off from here. Make sure you also lock your car, and then after about 10 minutes the screen is gonna shut off itself. The mirrors will be folded, and in the morning make sure you go to your phone, turn back on your Bluetooth, unlock the car before you step out, because if you don't, the car is gonna trigger the alarm and you just disturb any neighbors. And let's say this is the next morning, you just woke up and you want to get out of the car. So make sure you follow these steps. You're gonna go to your phone, turn back Bluetooth on. You could either go to the Tesla app, unlock the car here, or open the trunk, or this is what I do. I will put a little bit of pressure on the driver's seat. This way, the car is gonna think someone is sitting on it, therefore turning on the screen. We're gonna do it now. In 3, 2, 1, push. There we go. The screen is now back on. And this is when you can unlock the car. Open the door or the trunk. It's very simple, yet pretty complicated, but you get used to it. So next time if you're stealth camping somewhere and you want the eyes of the car to watch out for you, then maybe this could be helpful. Okay, this is a quick informational video. Stay adventurous, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.